Hello there. Today I'd like to cover 3 rules. So each video will have one rule. I'll start with rule 1 for logarithms. So rule 1, what does it state? It says that if we have log to the base 10 of a times b, you can write this as log to the base 10 of a added to log to the base 10 of b. This also works for ln, which is to the base e, natural logarithm. So if it's a times b, ln a add ln b. It's important to be able to work from the right hand side to achieve the left hand side and vice versa. So let's look at an example. If we want to simplify log to the base 10, 7, log to the base 10, 5. We can write log to the base 10, 7, log to the base 10, 5 as log to the base 10 of 7 times 5, log to the base 10 of 35. So that simplifies it. If you wanted to evaluate that using a calculator, it'd be a lot easier than trying to evaluate this expression. Why learn logarithms? Well, it's actually valuable in calculus. We can calculate the slope of functions or curves. We can calculate the area bounded by some curves. Noise levels, logarithms are used in noise levels, detection of half-life of a radioactive element, and many other uses. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.